hello to all. On behalf of Kamal Ratanpur family, I welcome you all in this Kamal Day euphoria. Kamal Day is a special day for all the Kamalites. Come, let us adore Mother Mary on this wonderful day and be a part of this excellent journey of celebration.
On this auspicious occasion of Carmel Day, our Honorable Principal, Dr. Reverend Sister Kripa, is here to bless us.
Loving sisters, teachers, students, and parents. At the very outset, let me wish you all a very happy Carmel Day. At first, I thought, what celebration in this lockdown situation. But suddenly a flash came to my mind and found it's more meaningful and more relevant in this lockdown situation than other times. Because in 13th century, Mother Mary appeared to Saint Simon Stock and assured her sisterly love and maternal protection in a very dangerous and alarming situation. It simply tells that she is with us in difficult situations than very peaceful situations. It's very clear if we look into the Bible. The first time, taking the pain of a family, Mother Mary approaches Jesus at Cana when the family had a shortage of wine, the main item of food in a marriage feast. We can imagine how painful it will be for a family if main food is less in marriage feast. How shameful it will be. But Mother Mary's intervention helped that family. Another incident in the Bible, after death, burial, and resurrection of Jesus, disciples were very much frightened. They were in the locked room, as we are now. They were frightened to go out. They were so much fearful to do anything. On such a day, Jesus appeared to them in the locked room and consoled them, strengthened them. But to my surprise, Mother Mary was with them in the lockdown situation all through. Her presence was a strength for them. Her presence was a consolation for them. She was with them until they were totally empowered to go out and preach. Yes, my dear teachers and students, this Carmel Day tells us in this COVID situation of 2020, Our Lady of Mount Carmel is with us more lovingly to console us Her presence will be definitely strengthen us. May this Carmel Day be an enlightening event in everyone's life. I wish you all God's blessing. Mary, Mother of Carmel, pray for your children. Thank you.
Mother of Carmel, Mother of love, Mother of mercy, Mother of grace, Mother most pure, Mother of good counsel, Mother of wisdom, Mother of Carmelites. Here we are in your embrace, with joyful hearts we worship you.
Today we are celebrating Carmel Day. On this auspicious day, I take this opportunity to wish our beloved sisters a very, very happy Carmel Day.
Carmel Day reminds us to be kind and compassionate. Let us come together to celebrate this day.
The liturgical feast of Our Lady of Mount Carmel, the patroness of our school, is celebrated every year on 16th of July. Since 15th century, its object was thanksgiving to Mary, our patroness, for the benefits accorded by her through its early difficult years. On this day, we recall Mother Mary's motherly patronage, guidance and intercession. So, to commemorate this occasion, what else could be better than dancing, which is surely the most pertinent form of articulating our inner self. This we are going to observe and experience with the forthcoming rip-roaring performance by none other than Mr. Rufi Khan.
Now, a tiny Carmel star is going to rock on this awesome day.
Oh, I'm a gummy bear. Yes, I'm a gummy bear. Oh,